Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the latest update of DRFT Party airdrop. All right, and I'm also going to be revealing to you the daily code of today. All right, so without further ado, let's dive into this video. But before then, please, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to this channel and turn on the notification bell to always get updated whenever we upload new videos. All right, and for my current subscribers, I really appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys very well. And for those of you who are coming across my channel for the first time and then hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, you guys are the best. God bless you. May God reward you. May you find favor. All right, you will find favor in everything you do. All right, I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate you guys. All right, now let's dive into this video fully. All right, let us go to the announcement board. All right, so as you can see, we can now automate your merging on the dashboard. All right, you can now automate your merging on the dashboard, so you don't have to always log in to swap to merge your cars all the time. All right, it's now you cannot automate it, but it is not for free. Okay, it is not for free. You can you need some stars to activate it. All right, so you can just read it. Say merge, say auto merge is here. It's finally here. Meet the most anticipated DRFT Party features. Auto mode merge cars automatically while players is online. Remember, it only works when you are online. All right, when you are online. So we say another point of auto mode is to offload stacked ports docs. All right, so those numbers of cars that is stacked into your port bot, whereby you will have to click on it to bring them out. Those 10 cars are 10 containers that are always locked up inside the port. The automation will bring them out and just merge them. Click on it, merge them, and then increase your respect. Okay, they say go ahead, upgrade mining to the max and use the auto mode to unload accumulate containers. All right, NFT collection coming soon, so your goal is to get at least one ticket. Get at least one ticket. Better get 2 or 3 for higher chance for the airdrop. Auto mode will help you with faster upgrade and leveling up. After the release of the NFT collection of first season, the second season session will emerge. Car and ticket will be released. Hurry up now, use auto mode and get ticket. All right, today's promo code is hidden in the picture. All right, this one is the update for today. All right, so you can just log into the link. This is the update I wanted to show you guys, letting you guys know that the auto mode has started. You can now automate your merging. All right, and this is another feature that they are planning and coming up soon. All right, so now it said in this one, if you come down here, you to also say that the code is hidden in the picture. Promo code is hidden in the picture. Now the promo code, I believe this is the promo code. All right, this is the promo code. So let's go and try it and see. Now we have to log into DRFT Party. Now this was the port. It was they make mention of cars that are stacked here. Now will be automatically released when you activate the auto mode. All right. Now one thing we need to do is to add in the promo code for today. when you hit the, now this is where you can add the promo code. You come to N, then you come to code. All right, double G 555. So G 555. Click on enter. Congratulations guys, you just claim your 50 drift token airdrop. All right, I just wanted to reveal the promo code for today to you, and also update you guys that auto mode is now live. If you click on it, you see that you can unlock it for a day, 3 days, and 7 days, and they all carry different amounts. All right, in my country here in Nigeria, this 7 days is worth a lot. All right, 280 stars. When you click on it, this the amount is worth 12,600. Let me just say 13,000 naira. Right, that's kind of huge. I don't have that for now, but maybe later. Right, for those of you who have it, then you can just go ahead and automate your merging, because that will make you level up faster. All right, that will make you level up faster. So you can do for 3 days, you can do for 1 day. All right, but if I have the money, I would prefer the 7 days. Okay, I prefer the 7 days. So remember, your target is to increase the level of your car as much as possible. All right, so I've earned some amount of drift token, but I've been using them to upgrade some certain things to make making faster and easier, which is coming to the mining session to buy all this stuff that are here. All right, so that is just it guys. All right guys, bye.